Hello beautiful people, I hope you are all fine, and in this video we are gonna learn that how we can create AI images from the chat GPT, and its model name is DALL-E 3. So we will use the DALL-E 3 by creating image. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all we will learn that how this structure is looking like in our code. So we will go in our code here. So we have our simple React application, and in which we have this component, this path, and we will go in it, and we have uh, we have this input field we will use to generate the prompt from here, and we have this send button, and these are this is the code where we will show our images which will create it from the dolly 3. Okay, so this is the send button, and on send button we are handling a function. uh, okay, this is the question. We can say it prompt, add question, whatever we want. uh, okay, and after that we will save our this image in this array, and this array is mapped here down. So we have to use the chat gpt, and its model name is DALL-E 3. So we have to create our API key. So we have to log in this website, the platform openai.com. You have to log in here, and then you need to create an API key, and we will use that API key to create images, and we can use this API key for creating some responses. You can visit my last video in which I have showed that how we can use the chat GPT 4 mini to generate text-based responses. Okay, so in this video we will learn to use this model, the DALL-E 3, to create images. Okay, we will come into our code. So as I have shown that we have the API key, we will click on it, and this is our GPT key we will use for generating images. Okay, okay, after that we have to install Axios npm I Axios. Actually we will hit the API to generate the images. We will import it from here, import Axios from Axios, and we have to come in handle send button, because whenever somebody will click on this send button, so API will be called and new images will be created from the dolly 3. Okay, we will comment this line first. Response await, we will use async await, async. We will make this function async, and then axios, and in this we will use my URL, this endpoint, and then we have to set the prompt here, prompt, and the prompt will be the question which we are using from the text input. Okay, and we just have to tell that how many number of images we have to create. It will be the n. For this time we will create just one, and then size, and size may be vary. I will show you which size we can use. So for the landscape or for the scare images, we need to use these images, this size, and then this one or this one. For our this image we will use this size. Let's copy it. Okay, and after that we will use the method. It will be post. Let's see what we have. in our console.log response. And one more thing that you always need to try, we will always use our code in keep our code in try and catch block. Okay, and copy our code from here to here. Okay, this spelling is not good. Response, not response. Okay, let's try it. We will come here. We will write a dancing cat, and we will open the network tab if we have any error. Okay, it is giving the 401. Okay, it is say, oh, I see, we have missed very important thing. We have to send the headers as well, and we content type application JSON, and authorization will be bearer token. Let's use the template string, not the simple GPT key. I think it needs to be export from there. Let's call it GPT key. Okay, so we have our GPT key. Okay, and let's try it again. Refresh. Dancing catch. Okay, why it is giving 400 now? Again, one more thing we have skipped, the model name. Oh, I have done a mistake. We have to send the data and we have to send everything here, not outside. Okay, we have prompt question 9, and prompt will be DALL-E 3. I hope it must work now. Again, oh, it must be model. Okay, I wasn't mistaken. I was using the chat compilation, but we just need to use uh, uh, this link. I will attach everything in the description. Okay, let's take it. We will write the same. Okay, let's click on it. Okay, this request is still pending. Let's wait. Okay, so this got successful, and see what we have. This is the payload, and we have the data. And in data, if we will see that we have this URL, we need to copy it from here. Okay, this. By the way, we just have to pull it now. and we will save it in our response state. So okay, so we have data and then again data, then the first element in this array, and then we just need to pop the URL. We will come in our code and const URL response dot data dot again data, and it have the first element dot URL. Okay, and then we have to set the question empty after saving the image, and then first of all we need to embed the old images. Mhm. Because we just need to wrap keep the all the previous images also. Okay, and we have to pop the recent images top of this URL. Let's see what we have now. Refresh it again. Okay, it's loading for some time. Why this error? Let's see. The server had the process. Sorry about that. You can retry. Okay, maybe sometime this server is not responding, so we can retry again. I hope this time we will get our image. Okay, we have our image, but why it does not show here? We just have to get that. I see. Okay, this response is conflicting with this one. Let's change the name. Okay, so I have changed this response to test so that it's not get conflict. We will come here and we say that dancing cat in the bed. Let's try it and wait for some time. You can add the loading here as well. Okay, it's still pending. Okay, great. So this time we have our AI image created by the DALL-E, and same like this, you can create images, and after that, you can save this URL in your database so that you can always keep your images and you can retrieve it anytime. And if you want to download, you can also download in your Node.js server. It have many ways to play with these images, and you can also play with more images. I hope you like the video, and if you want some more assistance, you can tell me. And if this video really help you, so you also can help to subscribe and like. Thank you.